Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Thomas Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about what is the best VPN to use on Android. Now when you go on the Google App Store, trust me, it can get messy. Let's show you, for example, here. Let's look up VPN. Look at this. All these top VPNs, these all suck. Secure VPN, Thunder VPN. I've reviewed these VPNs on my channel before. Even something like Brave VPN really does suck. They're overly expensive for the paid models. The free models are inundated with ads and slow speeds. This isn't even really a VPN. Some of these VPNs are good, but most of them are honestly garbage. So how do you tell which one is good? Well, that's why we have this video. So guys, I'm not going to make this video overly long. I'm going to help you choose very quickly what is the best VPN. How do you choose the best VPN for Android? Well, the best VPN for Android is also going to be something that you want to use on other devices probably. You want a VPN for PC? Probably. Hey, maybe one day you even want to switch to an Apple TV or something like that. Maybe you want to install your app on a NVIDIA Shield, an Android app TV there. You want to make sure it has a good app on Android itself, on Google Play Store, but you also want compatibility on other Android devices like Android TV, right? So these are things that are important. Additionally, you want a fair pricing model. Maybe you want an extra discount, a couple free months. Maybe you want some streaming compatibility. Not every VPN will unblock streaming services. Do you want your VPN to be able to unblock different regions of Netflix, access different streaming services? This is something that's very important to think about. You want a VPN that has a lot of servers, a lot of speeds. Maybe a VPN that is just very easy to use and doesn't give you any issues. Maybe a VPN that even allows split tunneling, allows you to segregate different usages for your VPN on your specific Android device. And of course, at the end of the day, you want it to work good on Android and have lots of updates. So this is a lot of stuff to consider and you might be feeling overwhelmed, but don't worry. I've been doing this for around 8 years. And in fact, I've spurged out on this stuff, guys. You know, look at this spreadsheet. This is pretty much analyzing every single VPN out there, various different categories, everything I just mentioned. And what I've done is assigned points and rated them by tiers and given the points assigned where they are. So what are the best VPNs for Android to use? Well, let's look through the list right here. First up, I'm going to say Nord. Nord is one of the biggest VPNs for good reason. If you use my link in the description down below, you should be able to get a couple free months. Let's go ahead and show you that. This video is not sponsored by Nord or any other VPNs mentioned, by the way, but I am an affiliate for them, just like pretty much every other VPN provider and lots of other useful tech and privacy products here on the channel that you could check out in the description down below as well. Now guys, if you use my special link for Nord and any other VPN mentioned here, you will get a special discount. Let me show you that. With Nord specifically, you're going to get 4 extra months if you click on my link, which is a really good deal. That's pretty much the best deal you can get. So why is Nord specifically good? Well, let's go over some of the things like I mentioned before. Well, one of the things you want is lots of updates. Look at right here, updated on September 2nd. That's very, very recently. If you look at some other apps, there's not updated nearly as often. So this is definitely something that's a good sign. It's the #1 top grossing tool, which means it's probably the most popular VPN out there. And I know for a fact it is 50 million downloads. But there's a reason it's that popular. It's a good VPN provider nowadays. They've really improved their service over the years. They have all those kind of essentials you are going to need. Really good multi-app compatibility, stream compatibility, and it has a very good application on Android TV as well. So this is definitely a very solid choice. Like I said, I'll be putting a link in the description down below. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable than NordVPN, but still very solid, it's actually going to be a VPN that's owned by kind of like a sister branch of that company, and that's going to be Surfshark VPN. Now, Surfshark VPN is a very good VPN in its own right. It's a little bit more affordable than NordVPN. It's kind of a little different in some areas, but you kind of really got to be a power user, kind of notice those individual things. And as always, you could always check out the tier list ranking systems to see those individual minutiae of changes and differences there. But it's a little bit cheaper than Nord, but in every aspect, it's very similar. If you use my link, you could get 3 extra free months, which I'll be putting down in the description down below. It's a little bit cheaper. You don't get as many free months. Nord is a little more expensive. You do get more free months, but there you go. One thing I like about Surfshark, it has really good bundled offerings, one of my favorite ones. In fact, if you use it on a computer, you get an antivirus on your phone. You have this unique kind of add-on you could get for like a burner number, and I've reviewed that on my channel. It's called like Surfshark Alt ID or something like that. A very cool feature, works on Android really nicely, lets you text people anonymously, give you out your phone number anonymously, so that is really cool. I'm going to say these are the two best VPNs for Android right now. They're very popular. They fit all the things that I talked about in the beginning of the video, and I'll be putting links for both these in the description down below. Let me know what you thought of this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.